In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link page in a table in Notion. If you are building a database and want quick access to related pages, adding links right inside your table cells keeps everything connected and easy to navigate. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it, explain when each is useful, and share a few tips to make the process smooth. First up is the fastest approach, the mention method. Click into the cell where you want the link. Type the @ symbol and immediately start typing the name of the page you want. Notion will show you matching results as you type. Select the correct page from the suggestions, and you'll see a clean, embedded mention appear in the cell. It's fully clickable, so you can jump straight to that page whenever you need. This method is great when you are moving quickly and want something inline that looks polished and stays compact in the table layout. Next is the double bracket method, which feels a lot like classic wiki linking. Inside the cell, type 2 left brackets, like this. Then begin typing the page name. You'll get the same search menu with suggestions. Choose your page and Notion will insert a tidy link right in the cell. Many people love this method because it's highly predictable, and the opening brackets clearly signal that you are about to reference a page. If you prefer a consistent typing flow, this is a reliable choice. Finally, you can create a standalone link block using the / command. Type /link to page, then pick the page from the list. This generates a dedicated link block that's more prominent than an inline mention. It's perfect when you want a bold, easy-to-spot link near your table, for example at the top of a dashboard or next to a summary. The block format is highly visible, which can help teammates notice important destinations at a glance. A couple of quick tips as you work. Precise page names help you find the right target faster. And the page icon in the suggestion list is a helpful cue to make sure you are picking the correct one. Whether you use @ or the link block, your links remain clickable and up to date, even if the original page gets moved or renamed elsewhere in your workspace. That's it. Use it for speed, for a tidy typing flow, and failing to page when you want a clear standalone link block. Thanks for watching.